Welcome back to Expert Pays. My name is Gerard, Esquire, and today we're going to talk about judicial discretion. But first, subscribe. Let's crack this one open. If you're an expert witness and you find yourself on the wrong side of a judge, you're in trouble. You're not a person in the courtroom. You're a piece of evidence. And because you're a piece of evidence, you gotta rely on the judge's mercy. All rulings on evidence are discretionary. Judicial discretion is one of the most confused, least understood concepts in American law. Thankfully, it's the most often applied. To shed some light, Justice John Marshall said that courts are mere instruments of the law and can will nothing. He continued on that judicial power is never exercised for the purpose of affecting the will of a judge. Appearances can be deceiving, I guess. What's certain is that any ruling on evidence is subject to the abuse of discretion standard. The judge essentially has to have no colorable argument under the law for his decision in order for a higher court to overturn that decision. It'd have to be something bold, like letting a lay witness testify as an expert witness, then letting that same lay witness testify as the ultimate issue of fact. But when will that happen? No, just kidding, it did. Just remember that your judge is more than just a stoic, solid defender of our liberties. He's a human being, too. Now, the thing with human beings is that they get hungry, they get cranky, they get bored, they have people that they love, and people they just don't like. Worse still, as an expert witness, you got two biases working against you. The hired gun bias, and get this, they might think you're a smarmy know-it-all. As if. Well, there's some fire for that smoke. You see, experts testify in cases in many cases more often than lawyers even argue cases. Speaking of lawyers, it gets worse because your credibility is tied to your attorney's credibility. So if they like him, boy, they're gonna like you. If they don't like him, man, are they not gonna like you. Substance should win out over form, but form should follow function. So you play nice to play smart and avoid that appellate death spiral of abuse of discretion. Go to expertpays.com for more tips and tricks. Until next time, I'll see you guys in court. In a good way.